my God. Oh my God. Okay, well, if we're late, whose fault do you think that's going to be? Okay, where are we at? Oh.
Is the microphone on?
Yes, it is. And wow.
That's a very clean cut from Dell Macintosh.
And your commentators here. As always, definitely not two people who stop for ice cream.
Oh, no, but this is Sven Benders.
And Dave Tibbles. Wow, we are getting an early look. And,
out of breath, totally here, just watching in rapt awe as this
definitely
performance happens, unfolds before us.
As we get to this peeling section here coming up, we are going to want to take a good hard listen. So let's just take a listen real quick.
I can't believe.
Seriously.
You were the one driving.
Oh my God.
Speeding doesn't get
Why do you think I
faster
needed to
if you get
speed?
multiple tickets.
Why do you think I needed to speed that fast? Okay? We were running late in the first place. We're leaving Dairy Queen like 2 minutes before we need to be here.
If we had taken the Dairy Queen to go, it would have melted all over your interior, and then you'd be to be
Oh, now you're concerned about my car. I tried to crash on the way, trying to go 90 miles an hour.
That's a great poll.
Wow, really excellent stuff from a great competitor here. Just want to call out how amazing and handsome this performance has been, just like our supervisor, who I know is listening right now. Appreciate the good job there, sir.
Yeah, we both know that they're listening. I'm the only one, though, who really appreciates their depth of character and resolve.
And just shy of a 10 on the score there, but I would give a 10 out of 10 to our supervisor. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dave Tibbles, who crushed it in the ratings when I used to do these competitions alone.
Like and subscribe if you're not a suck-up like Dave.
You Sven.